How to know if your Snapchat account is logged into another device. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Snapchat right here. And then once we open our Snapchat, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon, which is on the upper left corner of the screen. So click that. And then in this part, click the settings icon, which is located on the upper right of your screen. And then once you click your settings, just click two-factor authentication, which is right here. So click that. And then if you haven't set up two-factor authentication, make sure to set it up either through authentication app or text verification. So once you've set it up, you will be redirected into this part. And then in this part, you will now be able to see forget devices. So once you click forget devices right there, you will now be able to see all of the devices that have previously logged in into your account. So let's say, for example, that you see a device that you're not familiar with or you don't know. Then if you want to remove it, all you have to do is to click the X button right here. And then once you click the X button right there, your account will now be automatically logged out into their device. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to know if your Snapchat account is logged into another device.